electrical power from the solar panels, and we are utilizing for the localized loads. Localized loads means in the case of a residential unit. So rooftop solar PV modules are producing the power. We are utilizing for AC and then fluorescent lamp and also the TV, mixie, grinder, everything in our household appliances. And these household appliances are very sensitive for the voltage. As you know that 230 volt is the rated voltage level for the TV means if you are operating the TV for 240 volt or 220 volt, that is a low voltage or the high voltage, beyond its rated voltage or below its rated voltage means definitely it will affect the lifespan of the household things. It may be a AC or it may be a TV or it may be a washing machine, whatever it may be. So just I am giving the example, a simple example. So it will affect the lifespan and the quality of the household things. So we need to maintain we need to mitigate these voltage fluctuations. So for this case also we need to forecast the solar PV systems.
What is the answer here?
Now, so voltage fluctuations. Yes. Now we come to our case. What are the techniques are used to do the solar PV forecasting? Physical model and statistical model. So these are the two main categories that are so far implemented by the researcher to do the solar PV forecasting. In physical model, they use it in the large scale power plant, like 500 megawatt. So this is the Ibri solar power plant, 500 megawatt power plant. They are saying the lakhs of solar PV models are used here. Here they are using the physical model. Physical model means they implement the high resolution camera in the plant site to capture the sky images. To capture the sky image, they use the image processing technique. Now here the role of AI. Nowadays everybody is talking about artificial intelligence and everybody is worrying about artificial intelligence. Now many of IT people, so they are struggling to cope up their job because now they are utilizing these AI, the IT people to code, to develop the AI. They are utilizing these IT people to code the systems, and after that the AI itself is doing all the codings. Now they are on the verge to lose their jobs. They are struggling. So almost in all the now sectors and data processing and they are customer relations. They are using the artificial intelligence only for that. But our electrical engineers, we need to work it on the motor, large size motors, alternators, so many things are the traction units and these are renewable energy systems. So we need a huge manpower for this, and also we need customized electronic systems for our applications. So we no need to bother about that. But automation automatically reduces the manpower, not that much. So impact of artificial intelligence in our AIs, they are saying it would be around 30%. That's all. So 70% we are safe. Okay. Here, yes. Here to do the solar PV forecasting, they are using the physical model and statistical model. In physical model, what they do, they install high resolution camera in the plant site. Yes, ma'am, Vijay ma'am. Do you want to talk anything? Vijay ma'am, is my voice is audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yes. In the plant site, they install the high resolution camera. So this high resolution camera captures the sky image, and based on the sky image, they estimate the solar radiation level in the plant site, and also the satellite data. But the problem is, even though we are using the high resolution camera, the accuracy level is somewhat less because it is capturing very huge area of sky cover, and we could not get, even though if we are using very latest technology in that field, it is very hard to find or predict the climatic conditions in the plant site, because plant site is located in the particular area. We are focusing, it is a beaming. Actually, the camera is a beaming, it is covering very large area of sky. So this method is not, accurate one. But for very large scale power plant, we can use this method. So this method is called physical method. They are using high resolution camera for physical model, but a statistical model is there. So in statistical model, what they do, they use pyranometer. They use the pyranometer to predict the solar radiation level in the plant site, and by using the pyranometer, they predict the solar radiation level every hour. We can set like that also, every hour or every second or every minute. If you set the pyranometer to measure the solar radiation level for every hour, maybe accuracy level may be less, but it is an economical one. We can set the pyranometer to collect the data for every minute and also every hour, every second, and accuracy level increase. But the problem is the data collection, the data volume will increase. There we are using the artificial neural networks and deep learning algorithms. This will comes under the AI and also the machine learning models. Almost artificial intelligence and machine learning models are almost the same. There we are using the deep learning neural networks and also these artificial neural networks. We need to handle very huge amount of data, huge collection of data. So that only we are going for the artificial neural networks. Now this is one of the project in in Oman, Mana 1 and 2 solar IPP project, individual power projects. So 500 megawatt each, 500 megawatt. So they are estimating in terms of greenhouse gases because the government see the power plant only in terms of carbon footprints. So 6,80,000 tons of CO2 they are releasing every year because if they are erecting or installing more solar PV systems and more wind power plants and geothermal power plants, automatically the necessity of using gas power plant will reduce. They are burning the natural gases, and they are using the diesel power plant, means they are burning the diesel, and automatically it is polluting the air. The greenhouse gas emission increases means it increases the carbon footprint. But in globally, there is a limit for every countries for the carbon footprint. So they want to reduce the carbon footprint, and this is one of the effort. So the government is saying in terms of tons of CO2 level is reduced in the particular power plant. Now we come to that machine learning and deep learning in PV forecasting. So now I have said that the importance of artificial neural networks. Forecasting means for our case, we have collected the data for 1 year. From 2023 January to December, we have collected the data. The huge volume of data we have to handle. So only the solution is machine learning models. We need to go for machine learning or deep learning model. Machine learning model means random forecast technique, neural network, support vector machine, linear regression model is there. On the other hand, if you are going for deep learning models, convolution neural network is there, recurrent neural network is there, long short-term memory is there, deep neural networks are there. In the case of random forest, this is the traditional method. They use many decision tree algorithm to optimize the power output of the solar PV system. If you are going for the neural networks, so many neural networks are there, like